TV is always freaking lit. So, as you guys can see by the title, today there is another J-tutorial going on. Yes, I said that J-tutorial. That's J-tutorial. J-tutorial. It sounds like I said J-tutorial, which I kind of did, but with like some and be like, what you talking about? Cause we ain't even talking to you. I was doing a J-tutorial. You feel me? All right. In today's J-tutorial, we're gonna be doing basically some goddess braids, but they're gonna be jumbo ones. I don't want to spend a lot of time on this tutorial. I promise you. I don't want it to be long. I promise you it's not gonna be, because I already figured out how I'm gonna do it. I already did most of my hair. So I washed it. I decided to flat iron and press my hair because I feel like I have way more control a little bit, and it looks nicer when it's like a little bit more tamed because my hair is very thick. So let's get straight into it. Let's get started. If you haven't subscribed, if you haven't watched any videos, if you haven't seen anything on JerriahMarieeTV, you're missing out. Subscribe, turn on post notifications because there will be videos every week. Actually, more times than none, there will be videos twice a week if we get the ball rolling how we do it. But if not, every week you guys tune in, turn on post notifications. Make sure you follow me on all socials, Jerriah Marie. Just made a whole new official Instagram page only for JerriahMarieeTV. So all of the sneak peeks, the short videos, the reels, the lives, the IGTVs, basically any promos, any short footage of this when I'm promoting the channel, every time I post a new episode, any type of things of that nature that relates to JerriahMarieeTV, even stuff from Jerriah After Dark, which is on my OnlyFans. Make sure you go check that out. Even that stuff is going to be posted there. So make sure you go follow at JerriahMarieeTV. It's JerriahMarieeTV. Right here, I'm gonna put it right there, and make sure you follow me at Jerriah Marie on all socials. You guys already know what to do. Let's get started. Like I said, I don't want this to be long. I already did it into the way I wanted to part it, but I didn't do it good, so we're gonna do it correctly. So I tell right now, and I want to part my hair down the middle, so we're gonna see if I can do this right. I did those goddess dreads, twists, whatever they were called. Those are really good and really long. I was so proud of myself for doing that. This one, this time, I'm gonna do kind of basically that, but basically a jumbo version. Like, it's gonna be less braids because, like I said, I don't want to be doing this for a long time. There we go. I gotta make sure. Now, how am I gonna do the back? Cause see, now that's parted perfectly, but that's gonna be a little back. So I guess I got 3 mirrors in here. I got a mirror here, a mirror here, and a mirror right here. And I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna look to see, because for real though, how am I gonna do this? I'm just gonna have faith, y'all, because I'm just gonna have faith that the back is gonna look decent. So, I don't know what the back look like, y'all, but I'm gonna just trust y'all and trust myself that it'll look right, okay? Because I don't have time for this. Not I said the frog. All right, y'all. I think I'm gonna just start talking to y'all while I'm doing my hair, just because I don't want y'all to just always see me doing that, but I want to say, you guys, how are you doing? How has everything been? I'm like, hell no, no. I've been good, y'all. I've been decent. I've been bored over the past weekend because my basic only friend went out of town. So I've been chilling, you know, going to work, doing me, you know. It's been cool, it's been cool, it's been real. No, my stomach low-key hurt because your girl just, I've noticed that when I make my videos, I make this horrific face. Because I'll be looking at my video, like, yeah, now this is the funny part. I do not watch my own videos, fun fact. like, why not? Why not? You know, let me see what I got popping right now. Let me watch it. I always make this like, this like dumbfounded look like, and I look like that, and it looks so freaking stupid. Like, time to cracking up, y'all. All right, so that's just what we're clicking with. I don't know how the back look, but we just gon' as long as this looks decent, we're gonna look good. Okay, so my mom just came and saved the day. Your girl just got her hair parted, so I hope it looks great. If it don't look great, so what? My mama did it. Don't talk your shit, okay? I'm gonna show y'all what I'm using first so you guys can know. I am going to be using, boom, the Rastafari. Pre-stretched, of course. Pre-stretched is way better than anything else. And I'm gonna use it in the color BT1B30. So it's like a brown and a black mixed together, and then the brown kind of goes at the bottom. And then remember how you guys, I told you I'm gonna do it kind of like the passion twist. So I bought the water wave. It's like a premium braid, but it's like crochet, so you can tear it apart, take it apart. I mean, so it looks like that. I got this right here. This gotta be the best edge control that I actually have used. And I've been using edge controls since the age of 10, literally. And I've used all different types. I've used the olive oil gel, the olive oil spray, the argan oil gel, the argan oil spray, the eco styler, the panther, the diamond, what else? I've even used a wax stick. Like, I've used a whole bunch of stuff, and this has to be the best. I said, like, what do you mean? This, gonna take my favorite brush, has the edge control stick, and then this part. And then take another piece, separate them, and then as I go, take it, braid it, boom. Honestly, this doesn't look bad. I just don't want it to be too much, you know? As long as I want it. So. But the one thing I don't like is, I don't like that fugazi shit, like that fake stuff. Don't be smiling in my face like we have no issue. Don't be acting like I'm your bestest of friend, and then the moment you feeling some type of way, you want to treat me like I've been the enemy since day one. That's I don't like. I don't. To me, it's not genuine. I mean, you ain't been genuine with me since day one, because when you did feel like something, you kept it in. If you did feel some way, you kept it in until you couldn't keep it in no more. And by that time, when you did keep it in no more, usually that's when the person starts to resent you, because now they just waiting for you to do something bad so they can have a reason to say everything else they gotta say. It shouldn't be like that if that's really your friend. If that's really your friend, it'd be like, hey, look, I know we could be on the best of terms. Let me holler at you. Like, this is what's going on. The sooner people get that, the sooner and better off you'll be. I promise. As far as friends, y'all, I don't know. I think I'm done making more friends. Like, I'm cool with the little two I got, because I probably won't make any more friends until I move. When I move, your bitch is starting fresh. Started with a whole new roster. I'm living the life you're supposed to live in your 80s and your 90s and stuff. I'm supposed to be living that later, and I'm living it now. So it's like, Jerriah, what are you doing? And you be around the energy that you feel like is sufficing you. Not even sufficing, that's, what is it? What is the word? Energy that is like fulfilling. There we go. Like, you need energy that's gonna fulfill you. Don't be around nothing that's just good enough. You need something that fits your standards, and that goes for friends, family, anything. Have high standards with your friends too. Have high standards. Have expectations with your friends too, because I got expectations of mine, and it's from me and from them, and how I be with them and how they be with me. And that really shows you, to me, when you really have friends like that, those are the ones that's gonna hold you down. Those are the ones you can count on, you can rely on, because at the end of the day, all these relationships and shit, they come and go, but these friends, the people who be around through thick, through thin, through good, through bad, through happy or sad, those is the people you hold close. To do what's best for you and your best interest. Like, And that's just where it is. Like, what else can you say about it? Other than have a nice life, good luck, have a good time, you know, it's been real, and see you later. Like, okay, y'all, so for the most part, I finished one half. I finished one half. Now I'm just finishing up, honestly, this little bitty part right here. Let's get to it. All right, and I am officially finished. Baby hair's done. Honestly, I love the way I do my baby hairs. But I finished. They're very long, you guys. Very long. I feel, oh, honestly, it doesn't look that bad. Thank you guys so much for watching my beautiful, I don't even know what I'm gonna call these, because I'm pretty sure everybody has had some of these. I haven't seen anybody with the little crochet curls on, so I'm gonna call them my crochet braids. That's what I'm gonna call them. Crochet curl braids. Thank you guys for watching this J-tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys were interested. We had a little talk. We had a little talk. I didn't just talk to y'all about the tutorial, so we got to know each other a little better. Everything you needed today to use to be able to do this tutorial cost under 20 bucks. It cost me what, $12? No, $15 because it's Rastafari. So it cost me $15 total because it was a mixed colored hair. Yes, that's gonna cost you more. And then I got the little crochet little braid curl things, and those are like $5.99 at the beauty supply store. So go to any beauty supply, local beauty supply you got. You're gonna spend a total of 20 bucks total. 20 bucks total to do, probably less if you go to one of those beauty supplies who sell cheap Rastafari, because some beauty supplies do. Thanks for always tuning in. Thank you guys for always getting into it and tap in. And I will see you in the next video.